is my fifth video on the topic solid state, and today we are going to discuss here some numericals which are frequently asked from solid state. Correct? So come to numericals of solid state. So students, one numerical which is asked in the examination is calculate the molecular formula of the compound when the solid contains a atom A at all the corners and atom B at the center. B atom A at alternate corners and atom B at all the face. Third, atom A at all the corners and atom B at alternate face. So different type of such situations are given, and on the basis of that we have to determine the molecular formula of the solid. Dear students, now come to the answer. First, when we were discussing the rank of the unit cell, then we had discussed that any atom located at a particular part of the cube, what portion of it is really present in the unit cell, and hence just come to this one. First one, A. Atom A at all the corners. Atom A at all the corners means what? Number of A will be 1 by 8 into 8. 1 by 8 into 8 because corner contains only 1/8 of the constituent, and it is how much? It is 1. Atom B it will be atom B, where it is at all the, it is at the center of So when any atom is at the center of unit cell, then what is reality? 100% it is inside it. So number of atoms of B will be 1. So formula of the solid will be A1 and B1. Need not to write 1. So formula of the solid is AB. So this is the answer of first part. This one. After that, now come to second part, where atom A not at all the corner, it is at alternate corner, and B at all the faces. Correct? So now come to answer of B. Number of A will be number of A will be 1 by 8 into 4. Concentrate here. All corners are not occupied by A, but how many? Alternate. So make alternate of 8. Then it will be how much? It will be 4. So 1 by 8 into 4. So it will be equal to 1 by 2. And number of B, it is at all the faces. Dear students, on that day we had learned that the atom located at the center of the face have half portion inside the unit cell. So it will be 1 by 2, and there are how many faces in the cube? 6. So it will be 3. So formula will be A 1 by 2, B 3. But as according to Dalton's theory, atom cannot be in fraction, and that's why by multiplying this 1 by 2 we can convert it into whole number, and it will be A B 6. That will be the answer of the second. That will be the answer of the second. So in this way, this one is solved. Which one? B. Then come to third part. Atom A at all the corners and atom B at alternate face. Correct? See. When atom A at all the corners means 1 by 8 into 8, that is it will be 1. Then number of B will be very important, very important for you people. You give full concentration here. Atom B not on all the faces, but it is where? On alternate face. So in a cube there are 6 faces. So similar to the consideration of cube, where in alternate we had made it 4 in place of 8, can we make 3 in place of 6? Answer is no. Because you see the ground reality, although it is not a cube, it is a cuboid, but it has 6 faces, and we have to see the alternate phase. So see one phase here. If one phase here, then 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 phases cannot be used. We can only use this one. So one top, other bottom, or one this side, other this side, or one this side, other. Only 2 phases will be called alternate phases. So where it will be 1 by 2, because phases have contribution 1 by 2 multiplied by 2. It is how much? How many? 1. So B is 1. A is 1 and B is 1. So molecular formula it will be B. This is the answer of third part of the numerical. So I had given you 3 such possibility. In this way, examiner can twist any such languages, and when you face any difficulty in different such type of questions, you may take help of the comment section, and we will give the solution of all these. Okay? Then come to the next type of the formula. So next type of structure formula determination numericals, they are based on the basis of what conclusion we had drawn with help of close packing of a structure. Recall your memory. In a study of close packing of a structure, what we had studied that when one atom undergoes close packing, then it forms voids. If n number of atoms will undergo close packing, then it will form n number of octahedral void and double 2n tetrahedral voids. So this data is also used to determine the molecular formula of the compound. Now what type of questions are asked? Let us see. It will be calculate the molecular formula of the compound if atom N undergoes close packing. And atom M occupies half of all the octahedral void. Second, atom A undergoes close packing and atom B occupies all the tetrahedral void. Third, atom X occupies atom X undergoes close packing and atom Y occupies 2/3 of tetrahedral void. Two-thirds of tetrahedral void. So let us see how we will determine the molecular formula of such solids. Come to A. Atom N undergoes close packing. Atom N undergoes close packing. It will form void, and in those voids which is present, M is present. Where it is present, it occupies half of the tetrahedral void. So let us see. Let N taken is 100. So number of N equal to 100. Number of M, it will be, because if 100 N will be taken, octahedral void will be 100 and tetrahedral void will be 200. So here half of the octahedral void is occupied, means out of 100, 50 is occupied. So it is 50. It is 50 and remaining 50 are vacant. Number of tetrahedral void here, just for your curiosity, you know, it is 200. And what is their position? All are vacant. So in this very compound, M is 50, N is 100. So formula M 50 N 100. So it will be Mn2. Mn2, making 50 common, and the answer of A will be Mn2. Correct? So it is about first. Now come to answer of second, B. Here, dear student, what is given? Atom A undergoes close packing. Correct? Let A taken 100. And then what is given? Atom B occupies all the tetrahedral void. Correct? So in octahedral void, nothing is given. What it means? All the octahedral voids are vacant. And in all the tetrahedral voids, which one is present? D. So here, if A taken is 100, so number of tetrahedral voids, number of A will be 100. Number of B will be 200. So formula will be A 100, B 200. It will be AB2. It will be AB2. Correct? Now come to third. Atom X undergoes close packing. You see, atom X undergoes close packing and atom Y occupies kitna? 2/3 of tetrahedral void. 2/3 of tetrahedral void. So here let X is equal to 100. So number of Y will be, because X taken is 100, so tetrahedral void form will be 200, and then number of Y will be 2/3 of 200, means how much? 400 by 3. So formula will be X 100, Y 400 upon 3. When you multiply this one by 3, it will be X 300 and Y 400. And so formula will be X 3, Y 4. So this is the answer. X 3, Y 4. So in this way, students, questions are asked during determination of molecular formula of the compound. Now, get very much clear. In what way they are asked? One, on the basis of what we had studied in a rank of the unit cell. And second, what we have studied during close packing of a structure. So these are the two sections from which such type of numericals are asked in the chapter solid state. Correct? Now, third one, from where numerical questions are asked, it is related to density of the unit cell, or you may call it density of the solid. Correct? So see, here numerical asked is a solid having Kedlen 200 picometer makes FCC closed packing structure. Makes FCC closed packing structure. Then find density of the solid if its molecular mass is 120. So dear students, here we will take help of formula studied related to density of the unit cell. Come on. As we know, rho is equal to Z m upon AQ into NA. So since it is FCC, so for FCC Z is equal to 4. It is already known to us when we were studying the topic rank of the unit cell. Now A is equal to 200 picometer, means it is 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter, means it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So A cube will be 8 into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter cube. And then placing all these in this formula, rho is equal to 4 into 120 upon 8 into 10 to the power minus 30 into NA, having actual number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. It is in centimeter cube. It is in gram. So it will be 260. Simply I am considering it equal to 6, then it will be 10. So 10 to the power minus 30 and 23. It will be 10 to the power minus 7. Go there. Altogether it will be 10 to the power 8 gram per cc. So that will be the density of the solid. So in this way, by using this formula, we can determine density of the unit cell. Now see, students, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are present in the formula. In the numerical, any 4 will be given and you will have to calculate the fifth. Okay? So, you have to follow the language of the numerical which is given there, and on the basis of that, very easily you can calculate what we have to find out. Correct? Okay? Dear students, thank you all. Only up to this in this video, and just after that we will have next discussion in the latter video. Okay, thank you all.